just a quick random video. I've been going to fix this cupboard door handle now for months. Finally getting around to doing it today. Friday, 10th of January. Happy birthday, Rod Stewart. And what happens is, they were put on at the same time, but this one started falling off. So I thought, well, if I can fix it, I'm going to have to get a longer screw. So I got a new, I have a set of spares in the shed. Comes a pack of 10 knobs with screws. So I grabbed a screw out, chopped it off so it was a little bit longer. The only problem with that is, then when I go to screw it in to the handle, the knob, I'm left with a big gap. So I'd have to put a washer on it. Then I noticed that there was an issue with when the screw is actually in the back compared to the other side, as you see the photos here. So what I've got to do now is, with the countersinker on my drill, I'm just going to go in and see I don't know how deep I can get that. Let's see if is that going any deeper. Yeah, it's gone in a little bit more, so I can do just a tad more. Don't know if you can see this. Let me take a photo of that and show you now what it looks like. You can see the screw's actually gone further in on the photo. So now what we can do is screw the knob back on and see, because I think what's happened is, with the just pulling it all the time, I think it's worn off the edge of the thread, because it was only hanging on to a little tiny bit of it. So now tighten that screw and the knob, and look at that, perfect fix. Oi! It's no longer falling off when I go to open the cupboard. So there you go, easy fix, anybody can do it as long as you've got the right tools. A countersinker, I'll take it off and show you. It's like a little drill bit. It's got all bits of timber in the grooves. I actually bought this as a set of 3, so if I can do, depending on what I'm doing, I've got a large one, medium sized, and then the smaller one. So the sizes are actually 3/8 of an inch, 1/2 an inch and 5/8 of an inch. So that's your countersink. And there's your countersink set. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you learned something from it. And good luck if you're having to fix door handles. See you next time.